First off, this is how you make a dart airplane. One sec. Stop. Straight. And calm.
Rock me like a hurricane.
I'm sorry, I'm not showing this on camera. But this is what it should look like. It should look like this. It should look like a thick eye. But it's actually not. But here, now I need this charger's help. There's some McDonald's, there's everything here. There's even my comics I'm working on. There's even, bruh, I need to put this all over. Well, I keep raging, keep trying. This is why I'm wasting all my yaddies. Plus, my arm is super scratched. Bruh, I'm not showing you my elbow. Seriously. Second off, this is not basic. This is not like how to make a video anymore. Like, so it might be we might do how to, you know, make kid-friendly videos. How to animate, because I wish I could animate. Oh, forgot. Get my flash in the middle. So I want to make sure my mom and dad don't interrupt the video, because we're in bed right now. And yeah, my head hurt me before a lot. Here's some. Okay. Someone interrupted me, and I don't think I'm gonna have to reshoot this. It could be my cousin or one of my friends. So I'm not sure. But next, make sure this meets the middle, or else the point will be bended. Well, one sec. First off, Ezra, is this how you pull a fire alarm? No, pulling fire alarms are easy. It can get you in trouble. Second off, Ezra, I thought you were really bad at making paper airplanes, because first off, they look like you bended them 10 times, eated them 10 times. Wait, I've never eaten 10 paper airplanes. I would die, but okay. Next off, we're not talking about stuff. Next, the official next off is, if you fold your corner once again, it should look like this. Do it so the other corner. So, you'll be a 101 person. I'm in Cub Scouts. I know how to make everything. I haven't been to my Cub Scout meetings in a long time. Well, I'm probably going to be disqualified for Cub Scouts. Wait, disqualifying is... Okay. So, I'm going to hold this right there. I don't want this over time, or else I couldn't publish the video and I have to remake the video, because I had not verified that I could make these longer than 15 minutes, because that's how my animations. I want to become an animator. I'm going to become an animator in Christmas and animate with my iPad. I think it's going to be horrible quality, but no, let's still get back to this. So, Harry McWheel, Harry McLeo. This should be my own quote. Funniest quote. Well, one of my friends from school. Kieran, Lance. Yeah, one of those friends. Louise. Person who's in another class. And Kieran, who's actually in one of the gifted classes, since he's a gifted. And gifteds do better stuff than us. They like, get to have their own hamsters, get to have their... I'm sure you mistake. What in the heck am I? Am I dumb or what? Why am I redoing this too? I'm complaining. Don't worry. It probably should look like this sometimes. So don't worry about it. Just ignore it. Seth! Oh, okay, now. It's my stupid voice. You suck. Wait. So you who misheard me, I did not say that F word. Well, they're probably interrupting videos since I said that. I did not say that word. Promise me. Trust me. You're probably deaf. Where the heck? Shoot. Okay. Now fold the sides. It's easy. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. I told you. You think I lied? Probably not. Get like a bit of a thing. Well, I have a paper airplane contest, and this is why I practice making paper airplanes like every single day, every single minute. Probably take you around 3 minutes to make one. Probably could take 5 minutes. Well, 6 minutes down this video. What the heck? Plus, I do have a timer. Dad? Oh no. Now the TV's playing.
On TV? There's not on watch on.
Oh, turn the TV on! Ah! Okay, never mind. I would have edited that part out. Okay, I might edit that part out. Yeah. You edited? Well, I folded the corners. This is my result. This might make it fall down, but it's good. It's good. It'll fly over like 300 centimeters. Probably does less. Probably does fly to your bathroom door. Don't worry. That makes me distracted. By the way, what does it say? This is how you interrupt the video 101. Okay, never mind. We have our own paper airplane now. Okay. Now, what is it by used to? Here's an example. My paper airplanes just look like this. Let's fold this like a comic. Look, I always make comic books. This, I use it like this. Like this. And I'm confused, and then I do this. And then I probably do this. And then I probably do this. I mean, actually, this is not how I make a paper airplane. Do you know how horrible this flies? Here. Actually, I think it flies well. Wait, let me try. Ready? Probably not that good. But if you have this paper airplane, you're totally a winner chicken dinner. And Rusty's going to okay, I was rubbing the stop video button. I'm sorry if that. Don't eat paper airplanes, kids. It can kill you easily. Kill you slowly. But that's all for the video. So we should end this video with a throw, and then I'll stop the video. Or probably just end it.